Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, we have the Foodie Grocery Haul Open Collaboration. Let me tell you who's hosting. So we have myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, or I use my main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jean Home Decor and more. We have Debbie Bubbles, and on occasion we do have my Mountain Home and Kitchen. If I did forget anybody, I will link them down in the description box. Okay, so I don't have a very big haul, but let me show you what I did get. All right, so I always get heavy cream because this is what I use in my coffee. And by the way, guys, I did switch over to decaf. Because I do like the taste of coffee, but I don't need all that additional caffeine. And I always get the Great Value brand, and now it's the classic roast decaf medium roast smooth. I like it. I did get one prior to this shopping haul, and I liked it. Now this is a great yogurt, guys. It has 28 grams of protein. This is so good, and it's made by Ratio, which is a great brand. I love this. Now, I'm not familiar with this oil, but Walmart is carrying this oil. I only need this for frying. I usually cook with olive oil, but if I'm frying something for Matthew or something, I'll use a little bit of that. Then I got some burgers. So these are the burgers I usually get in a sleeve. And I like the 80-20. They do have a more leaner one, and then they have one that has more fat. So this is a great buy, and this lasts us a little while. Then he absolutely loves ranch, so we went with ranch. We love Amish macaroni salad, guys. So I tried to get the smaller container because you guys know I should not be eating this, but I will eat a little bit of it. And so I always get in this container. So we pick off of it all week. I needed some garlic powder, so I got some of that. Now I finally found the Propel in the lemon flavor. Matthew likes lemonade, so why not hydrate with electrolytes? And once in a while I will have one myself. I have not fully given up my chips, but I'm working on it. This is the smaller bag, so I got one of those. These cold cuts were on sale, so this was the Black Forest ham, so I got some of that. And then I'm always going to get some bacon, guys, so I got some bacon. These cold cuts were not going to last at all. So I like Fig Newtons, so the Great Value brand Fig Newtons I'll pick on. And then I also got the oatmeal Great Value brand cookies. I got them for the jar, and they go dwindling down as the week goes on. And Matthew and I kind of like munching on graham crackers, and he likes the honey one, so I decided to get 2 boxes of the graham crackers. They're also a very good snack with peanut butter, guys, if you need to relax. That has like a calming effect when you add peanut butter. All right, so they did not have the keto bread that I wanted, so then I go to the next best thing. And the reason why I go with the Great Value brand white sandwich bread is because the slices are really thin, or thinner than regular sandwich slices. So that's why I always go with that. Then I got some buns for those burgers. So we got 2 packages of the buns, and then we got some private stuff here for the bathroom. We got some Scott tissues, and then I got some paper towels, Great Value brand. So this was my haul, guys, and I do believe I spent about $162. But what you're not seeing here is the dog food that I got the dogs, and I also purchased something for my son. So this is the haul. I hope you enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.